Welcome back to the Art Archaeologist channel. I'm Corey. So today I wanted to do a little quick flip through of this Denim Dream paper kit I just completed. And I used this Rit Denim Blue dye, and I only used like 20% of this, and I squirted the papers with it. I did not pour this into the bath where I boiled the papers, but I did, I put rusty bits in the pan, and I put like a half a pot of coffee. I just poured some coffee in there, so that's all I did with this. And again, there's a lot of onion skins, and this kit is available in my Etsy shop now. The link is below. And what I do is every time I go out to the city, I just grab I go to different areas and I grab a bag of leaves from different areas. So that's my plan for this summer. So without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and play some music and do a quick flip through. This kit came out pretty fun too. I went to the gem show over the weekend and found these trees with these really beautiful long branches of a bunch of teeny tiny leaves. So that's where I got those. And I was really after, one of my favorite color combinations is blue and brown. So I was hoping to achieve that with this kit, and I think I did a pretty good job of it. This denim color does not disappoint. If you're a fan of blue, I highly recommend this Denim Blue Rit dye. one more thing. I've always included these great pages, and I'm bored with these now. Enough of the kits have this, so I've decided from now on all of my kits I'm going to take 2 pieces of copy, just regular printer paper, and I'm going to end the pack. So there may be a little bit of gray like this with the flowers, which I like. I find it interesting. But this is going to be the last kit to have these. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope you like this kit, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.